Good morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. In this video we are going to discuss about Williamson ether synthesis. This method used to prepare both aliphatic and aromatic ether. Formation of ethers. An alkaline solution of phenol react with alkyl halide to form phenyl ethers. Alkaline solution of phenol, basic solution of phenol. The alkyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution by the phenoxide ion in the presence of alkali. First, now I write the common reaction for Williamson ether synthesis. What is that reaction? RONA when react with IR in on heating. What is RONA? Sodium alkoxide undergo reaction with any alkyl halide. You can commonly use X. It is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. One Na plus and I minus, commonly X minus, removed as NaI. Now this phenoxide ion replaces I minus ion. This minus is added to this plus. One I minus ion is now substituted by alkoxide ion. It is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Gives ROR and loss of NaX, here NaI. This R may be any group, methyl, ethyl, phenyl. This R may be any alkyl group. Both the R may be same or different. If these two alkyl groups are same, you will get simple ether. If these two alkyl groups are different, you will get mixed ether. Now I take an example of phenol C6 H5OH. Phenol is acidic in nature, we know, which undergo reaction with a strong base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH gives. H plus ion from phenol and OH minus ion from a base, sodium hydroxide. Last H2O, this plus is now added to phenoxide, gives C6H5ONA with the loss of H2O. This is nothing but sodium phenoxide. So this is called a sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Phenyl group, oxygen is attached to metal called oxide. This sodium phenoxide is the starting material for Williamson ether synthesis. Our sodium salt is now sodium phenoxide. I take here C6H5ONA undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with methyl iodide on heating. Now what happens? Na plus and I minus removed as NaI. This methyl plus is now added to phenoxide ion. Actually, this I minus is substituted by phenoxide minus called nucleophilic substitution reaction. C6H5OCH3 plus loss of NaI. Now, what is the name of this compound? We can give three names for this compound. One is, this one is phenyl group, that one is methyl. So, in the alphabetical order, we can give the common name methyl phenyl ether. This is one name, common name. Another name, anisole, that is very most important. Anisole, used in perfumery, anisole. And IUPAC name. We have to add oxygen atom to any one of the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon for giving IUPAC name. So this is parent hydrocarbon benzene to benzene, methoxy is attached. The IUPAC name of anisole is methoxybenzene. We can prepare one more phenyl ether by Williamson ether synthesis. Same sodium phenoxide C6H5ONA when treated with ethyl iodide C2H5I on heating. So what happens? Na plus and I minus removed as NaI. The I minus is substituted by phenoxide ion. Nucleophilic substitution gives the product C6H5OC2H5 with the loss of NaI. This is one ethyl group and this one is phenyl group. So the common in alphabetical order ethyl phenyl ether, ethyl phenyl ether, and ethyl phenyl ether is also called phenatol. Phenatol. And add the oxygen atom to any one of the alkyl group which containing lesser number of carbon atom. Now I add oxygen to ethyl. What is the parent hydrocarbon? Parent hydrocarbon is benzene. To benzene, which group is attached? Ethoxy. Ethoxybenzene is called phenatol. This is Williamson ether synthesis used to prepare here the phenyl ether, aliphatic ether, both symmetric and the unsymmetric ethers, simple mixed ethers can also be prepared by Williamson ether synthesis. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the oxidation and reduction reaction of phenol. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.